All right, as promised, here is the video of the BTEC U25D amp in operation. I've got it turned on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off here. So you heard it beep. When you turn it on, you're going to get the beep. I've already got the cable hooked up to the TYT MD380. I've got the cable here. This is the male end of the cable. Back here on the amp, you'll see I've got a SMA to SMA male connector. So with the TYT 380, you want to get a SMA male to SMA male. Just your standard T plug. I'm just running it off of my box up here. This is my Go box with my 857, and here's a TYT MD 9600 in there. All right, so now that we got it on, I'm just gonna let's just do a little test first. We will test with low power on the Hazard Kentucky machine. If you can get a little closer there so we can kind of see that. We'll do Parrot to start with. So I'm going to pick up the speaker mic right here, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit. KY4 RDB testing DMR repeater and Hazard via Parrot and UV25D amp.
KY4 RDB testing DMR repeater and Hazard via Parrot and UV25D amp.
Oops. Probably don't want to drop yours like that when you get it. But you control the volume. There's a 4-watt speaker in the bottom of the amp, but you control the volume from here, and you can change the channel. That was low power. So this radio, I think, on low power puts out around about 2 watts. So this amp is probably putting out on the low side. Probably somewhere in the neighborhood of, I think it was around 25 watts at 2-watt drive. That works great. I'm going to change the channel. You still control the channel from here. Let's go ahead and let's see if we go to nationwide, if we can get somebody to talk with us. KY4RDB on nationwide. Is anybody available to give me a audio report? Just wait a second here, see if somebody comes back with this to us. Thought somebody on nationwide would have came back to us. We'll just test it over to, let's go to Kentucky statewide. KY4RDB on Kentucky statewide. Is anybody available to give me an audio report?
KY4 RDB, this is W4GOY. Hard in Owensboro, Kentucky, you're loud and clear.
Thank you, Art. Name's Roland on this end. I'm testing out a BTEC U25D DMR amplifier and just wondered how it was working. I'm pushing about 6 watts to a repeater that's probably 30 miles away, so 6 watts out of the MD380 and probably closer to 30 watts out the amp. So just wanting to know what the audio sounded like. Thank you, Art.
Okay, well, you sounded real good. I know it's just a little bit of dropout that's made transmission, but there may have been something on the internet or whatever, you know. But don't see anything wrong with the audio at all. Got plenty of audio. Okay, W4GOY, Owensboro, Kentucky, clear.
Kilo Yankee 4, Romeo Delta Bravo, Blackie, Kentucky. I'll be clear as well. Thank you. All right, and there you see a repeater that's probably about 30 miles away, and I'm in a valley Net's down. I cannot hit it with the TYT MD380 without the amp. Works like a charm. Thank you for watching.
KY4 RDB.
Yep. Well, hang on just a second.
On statewide.
And go ahead, Tim.
Well, you sold me. I guess I'll have to break down and get me one.
Well, you and Art will be in a video. I'm actually doing a video for the YouTube channel right now, so you can see how it works. I'll have it up here in about 15 or 20 minutes. I'll clear with you right now, and we'll go fix some dinner in this video. KY4RDB, I'll be clear.
Okay, Roland. Sounds good. You guys have a good one. We'll talk to you in a few days, probably. KY4RDB, KK4WH73.
All right, friends, so there you see. It works like a charm. I'll say 73, and watch for the next video on whatever the next new toy to come out is.